So we hit the gym this morning and it's pretty good. Took a few pictures. I posted them on my Instagram and check them out. But now we are off to USPS, not UPS. We're dropping off some brackets for a Ruckus clone, drop brackets, stuff that I was building for my own, and offering to you guys. I don't have a website yet for sale, so if you want to look at them, I got another Instagram. I'll put that up and check it out too. Then after that, after we drop those off, we are heading over to Brandon's. Time to put in his clutch. Get the fucking Evo back on the road. Alright. Keep you updated a little bit. So, we just got here at Brandon's house and we got his clutch in last night. This is going to be his unveiling. And this is going to be a pain in the ass. Competition clutch is the one we got from, which he got a sponsorship with. We will be hopefully working with them quite a bit more. Maybe I'll get one with them for the 370. But here we go. We're gonna check it out. Gotta love the truck. Jeep, like white. So, open up!
Check out the shirt sequence you sent me. Got a giant freaking banner too. I'll have to hang that up.
CQuence?
Is this it? Is episode 1?
Episode 1? Like Star Wars?
Like Star Wars?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Broken.
Check this out. Who needs a banner this week? So like hanging in front of my house and piss off all my neighbors. HOA fees. Whatever. Pretty freaking legit. Shout out to CQuence Performance Brakes, one of my brake sponsors.
I paint the intercooler and transmission.
There's my brand new custom drill. Myself and shoot, I can't think of his name. I will later though. Designed these so they were black and it took about 45 seconds to run off, but Alpha X rotors, which means I need to step up my game and really be an Alpha Evo.
What are these wheels?
These are the brand new Varrstoen NK9s. I'm the first Evo 10 in the world to have these wheels. And I had them custom designed. The sticker to go over the spoke. Do that crazy green. This is my Evo 10. Yeah. Alright, it's time to open up my competition clutch box. See what kind of goodies I got. Alright, got a hat, license plate frame, accessories are always good, sponsorship paperwork, should probably fill that out before I forget. What's that? Touche, touche. I gotta grow my hair back out. Alright, so I've been working with Roberto over at Competition Clutch for about a month and a half. I had a previous competitor's clutch in my car and I was highly unsatisfied with a very large amount of money that was spent on it. So we got it right, he hooked it up. So brand new 440 steel forged flywheel for my Evo 10. Let's open this bad boy up. It's clean. Now I gotta clean fingerprints off.
Yeah, we did.
Open.
Smoke that clutch out away from it. Fucking the grease on it.
Oh, man. I wanted something that was going to handle 600 horsepower. We're in Colorado, so elevation sucks, but I want to make 600 with this at elevation. So, picked up with the Stage 3 Street Strip Drag kit. If you'd like, I'm posting a link below. Now, I've ran a couple clutches. This is the first time I've ever seen a company that actually, like, this thing is 100% vacuum sealed all the way around. I've received some that are dusty. Like, nobody wants a dusty clutch. Like, I just dropped a couple $100.
Sitting on a shelf forever.
Yeah, like even rebuild kits, like just in a box, just getting trashed around. It's not good business. So, I appreciate things like this. Very necessary. Again, 100% sealed. This is good business. Hit up Competition Clutch. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description below, and we can get you a clutch for your Evo. Woo! I've been waiting another 3 weeks.
Come on, where are you at?
You can explain what you're doing.
We're lining up the 7-bolt. That's what we're doing.
Oh, too easy.
We'll put
Doesn't
this.
matter.
We'll set this one in there right there so it doesn't fall. And we'll get the other ones with the Loctite.
Probably just fast forward through all this anyway. Yeah. Do a dun, 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 dun. And then the Evo or the transmission will go back in like 3.5 minutes versus the actual 6 hours it's gonna take us. Yep. What do you think? Car's gonna run and drive today?
We'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see.
Alright, so phone died, so we didn't get to video everything, but abracadabra, transmission's back in, all electricals hooked up.
Transfer case is in, clutch is in. half shafts. Just gotta put the axles in.
We're just waiting on axles, brakes.
Drive shaft. You gotta put the drive shaft.
Yeah, we gotta do that too.
Put the new lower motor mount in.
New motor mounts are going in.
So, I just want to give you a end of the day update. What we got done on Brandon's Evo is everything is back in. Axle, the transmission, transfer case, pretty much majority of the piping is in. We got to go through the tightening of everything still. Of course, it's not even hooked up right here. But intake, all the basic stuff has got to be done. Everything with the brakes and everything is done. The drive shaft's back in, exhaust is all tightened up, everything's tightened back up. Just like I said, the basics is all that's left. It is now about 5:45, and it's pretty much it for today.